Good morning. We are somewhere up a creek, and we hope you had a wonderful Christmas because, whew, we are back to the creek after Santa Claus got out of here. Whew, we are ready to hit the creek and go back fishing. We are still chasing that gator trout. I hope we have some luck, and we want you to come along with us. Now this morning I got so excited because Mikey, he said, you know, that thing you wanted for Christmas that you kept bugging me about in the creek? And I'm like, oh, really? Has to be the motor, Mikey. And he said, yeah. I said, okay. What? And I got so excited because I just knew that I had me a new Christmas toy. And as I got out to the driveway and looked on my Titan kayak, I noticed, don't that look nice? It's a 25 Johnson. Yeah. I have wonderful storage space up underneath. See? I can always count on Mikey. Hi. Well, we've made it to the creek. And it is a beautiful day. And we are looking forward to catching that trout. We are always waiting on Mikey. Come on, Mikey. I'll take you up the creek. Show you where the trouts are. Don't you leave me now. I don't have a motor. I don't have a motor, Mikey. Didn't get no motor. Now I'm having to pedal. When that gets my heart to pumping, and then I'm having a hard time because my heart pumps. And I don't know how good that is for me. What in the world? Always tangled up. I'm always tangled up.
I see the bottom.
You ever hit bottom, Michael? You ever hit rock bottom?
For me?
Yep. I'm asking you, Mikey. It's the only other person I see out here. Only one. Do you see anybody else? I don't see nobody. I'm asking you, Mikey. Have you ever hit rock bottom?
Right here. I see a rock and I see the bottom.
It's not the kind of rock bottom I'm talking about, Mikey. I'm talking about like rock bottom.
Oysters.
Never heard of rock bottom.
Oysters.
You don't even know what I'm
should have
talking
brought
about.
an egg on oysters.
Like rock bottom. You know? About as low as you can go. You ever hit it? Have you ever hit it, Mikey?
Yeah.
What happened?
I drowned it. I should have brought an oyster rake.
Mikey,
And we could pick oysters.
I'm working so hard to try to get all the way up there because you didn't give me that motor for Christmas.
Yeah.
You brought me that thing you put on my boat this morning. What was that?
That was a 25 horse Johnson. What'd you do, take it off?
What?
What'd you do, take it off the boat?
Take it off the boat.
Yeah, the motor.
Like what good was it going to be for me, Mikey? I was going to I could use it for a storage compartment. I could like put stuff up underneath it in case the wind gets to blowing.
You just needed to learn how to crank it. That way you'd already been up.
Michael, I'm still pedaling. And that ain't cool because the motor would have already had me there. See?
Did you see the
Don't you think that a nice kayak motor would look good on here? Wouldn't have to work at all. No, I come out and I was so excited, Michael. I got right warm and fuzzy. I did. I got warm and fuzzy. I said, I bet you he did do that. thinks he's so funny.
We do need an RV, you know that.
I want to get with them RV people down yonder. You know, they are teaching us a lot, Mikey.
I have one of those.
I think if I had an RV, I would have less cleaning to do.
You got a whole lot there.
Michael, if we had an RV, I'd have less cleaning to do. And then we could go to all these fishing places. We have met the coolest people online on YouTube. Y'all should try them out too. I think they're the coolest people all. I'll tell you, Mikey, we could join up with them and we could go fishing in different places, and you all can too. So better check out them RV people because they're teaching us a lot of things, and they're on YouTube. Meant to Be, got to check out Gina Van Life, all them good people, all of them. Meant to Be RVing. Woo, we just have so many wonderful friends out there already. Don't we, Mikey?
Fun to talk to.
Mikey!
I'd love to go to South Carolina.
South Carolina. That's right. I bet you they got fish in South Carolina, Mikey. We're missing out.
Big trout there.
We are missing out. We need to get down there.
Our trout here are getting gone.
But you know, if you'd have got me that motor, I could have got to South Carolina a lot quicker.
Yeah.
Well, now you got to go out and get me an RV. Got to go get me an RV now, Mikey. Can I get y'all's support out there to get Mikey to get me an RV? See, they said yes. I know they did. Do I?
I just don't know how to run one. I'm gonna have to get listen to more lessons about how they operate.
Mikey wants lessons from all the RV people out there in Cyberland on YouTube to tell him how to operate an RV. That should be good. I want to watch. I want a side seat for that one.
Already learned about some of them batteries and heaters.
Oh, he's been learning about the batteries and stuff. And Gina there. Gina, oh, Van Life with Gina. She's been teaching him a lot about brake jobs and stuff like that. She's having a lot of squishy brakes, Mikey. She's having some problems. We're going to have to get down there to Oregon and help her out.
I really don't know how to do
I wonder if they got fish in Oregon. Have they got fish in Oregon?
it. Yeah, salmon.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to have to get that RV, Mikey.
And
Yes.
I think we're gonna have to run around.
What?
Get back out of here.
Turn around.
Look at that bank.
I just got all the way up here.
Look at the bank.
Well, let's fish it a few minutes before we have to turn around and go all the way back because that's a lot of work, Mikey.
We're gonna get stuck up here.
Mikey, we're going to have to go over yonder. We get stuck. You got a paddle? You got a paddle? I ain't pulling you, Mikey. I ain't pulling you. Not today. Not, You didn't get me that motor. Now, see, if you'd have got me the motor, we could have just cranked that thing right up and it would take both of us. I wouldn't have to work so hard.
You say low tide was at 3 o'clock.
The low tide's supposed to be at 3:30, but it already looks like it's hit.
Fell out of here.
It's 10 o'clock. And low. What are we doing in the creek at 10 o'clock? But shouldn't we have been here at 6? Mikey had to play with the dog all morning, which is really sweet. I really love my dog. Don't get me wrong. But when it comes to fishing, I'm ready to go. She's just going to have to get in the boat and go. Mikey, he's kind of babied her so much that she won't even eat her own dog food without having Mikey feed it to her. That's really bad. Because how's she going to take care of herself when we're not at home, Mikey?
I gotta get back at lunchtime and feed her.
When we're not to the hill, that dog won't know how to eat.
I have to get back and feed her.
Oh, Lord. Look, Mikey, we got to hurry up. We got to hurry up.
I don't know
We're gonna go up here and fish and we'll figure that out. Mike, are you all right back there? They ought to be right up here. I had a bite. I had a bite, Mikey. I had a bite. Come on, fishy, fishy. You did. I had one. I know. Mikey and I were still looking the fish. We're gonna get him though. We're gonna get him today. He wants everybody to see his toy he got for Christmas.
No.
Yes.
That's my new toy right there.
What?
You've got, I swear, I've got to catch a fish, so I'm fixed to cool it to have fins.
Mikey. What toy?
I'm getting ready to have fins.
What toy?
So I can holler at you.
What you need to be hollering at me for?
The loudspeaker.
Where'd you get that? Oh my gosh. Mikey. Mikey. Things you will do when the fish aren't biting. Y'all do see what I deal with, right? Mikey's making fun of my conglomeration of fishing stuff.
Can it see all those baits hanging around your head?
They look good flying around up there and there.
You got all these troubles.
It is coming off the hook too, Mikey.
Right.
Mikey, I'm going to go find a fish. Check this out. Check this out. Girl has a fish. Check this out. Ha 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 ha. Look, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Wow, wow. That's a nice looking baby there. Look here, Mikey, what I got. Ha 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 ha. Woo! Mikey, Mikey, Mikey. Look what I got. Mikey. Mikey, look. Look what I got. I got the fish. Got the fish, Mikey. I got the fish. I can't give my secrets away. That's a mighty. If I told you, you'd catch one. That is what a girl can do. Getting ready to give Mikey a piece of my bait that I caught my fish on. But he said that's probably the only fish you're going to catch today. So I'm contemplating giving him my bait or keeping my bait. But I'm a sweet person, Mikey, so I'm going to share it with you. Because I love you, Mikey. Don't drop it!
My God.
I think Mikey's flipping out because I caught a fish. He's left the creek again. Mikey! See? He's gone. Tide's dropping very low. So Mikey and I gotta get out of this creek. Right, Mike? No. We have bottomed out on oyster shell. I think this is the worst scrape we've ever been in. Probably not as bad as it gets. Mike's garage drive is broken in his boat. And the thing is, when it's stuck in it like that, you can't get the fins out of the Hobie. Lodge like that, it wouldn't come out. We're trying to beat this. See, the tide won't turn around until it gets dark. We need to get out of here before it gets dark. Because it's going to be cold. And it's going to be bad. And the wind is so, these are some of the obstacles you face when you're kayak fishing. But this is it's definitely the first time this has ever happened to us, ever. Mike's Mirage Drive is broke on his boat. We are way up the creek, miles, and we are going to have to paddle to the nearest bank and find a place to get out. This is a scrape. We gotta get to the channel. I'm about off. This is not good. Well, I never say I won't paddle again. Right, Mikey? Mikey's not too happy. Mikey's mad.
Just wait.
God, I've never seen it so. Lord, I've never seen it so low. Never. Looking at the bottom, there's not an inch of water out here. This is real kayaking here, Mikey. This will make a woman out of you. Mike is stuck way out there. I don't know if you all can see it, but he's a very long way from me. He's stuck way out into the middle of the creek. We have hit dry land. I have made it to a marsh. I've made it to a marsh. I was stuck on an oyster rock and have managed to get over here. His drive is stuck in his boat and he can't get it out. So that has caused us a situation. And we're gonna have to wait for the high tide, and that means it's gonna get dark and late and cold. Not a good situation. Well, I've made it to the channel. I'm trying to figure out how to get Mikey out of that mess back there. I know he's a quarter of a mile from me now. I don't know what to do. We're just waiting for high tide to come in so he can get to where I am. This is a mess. Kind of scary too when you can't get off of an oyster rock. It's been quite a day. I have made it to the bridge channel. Michael is still way up the creek, sitting on an oyster rock with a lodged Mirage Drive. I feel so sorry for it. I just don't know what to do. These things happen, but this is the first time, well, we've ever had it happen to this extent. We have been stuck here before, but I won't ever be coming back here again. Oh no. No to the no. We love you, Mikey.